seats. Alright, chat. You can't claim you're outside unless you're actually outside. So tonight, we're on the way to an underground car meet. I've got word evidence that it should be deep. We're about to find out if it's worth it. And we'll see if the Corvette makes it. Alright, chat. We made it to the meet.
Oh yeah, you're cooked. They blocked off that entrance. Oh, you're cooked. There's speed bumps up here.
Damn, bro. We don't got that motion. Wait, there's speed bumps?
Yeah, bro, you're cooked.
What are you talking about?
There's speed bumps.
Where?
When you go in this way.
Oh, hell no.
The only way to avoid the speed bumps is right there. But they...
Wait, like how big are the speed bumps?
Yes.
We're about to find out if we're cooked or not.
Hey, private park right here. In front of the minivan. On the corners.
Okay. That's that motion, bro. That's that motion.
Extra. This shit is hard.
Alright, oh, okay. Alright, we're about to see if there's any heat at this meet. You know, that kind of run. Oh, wait.
For real?
Yeah.
So now they're gonna be in a video.
It's not the only one, it's fine. Yeah, channel. I got. Cameraman, I'm gonna fire you.
Hello.
Cameraman has motion, bro.
It's gonna do like that Tay Wavy edit, and it's gonna put his at.
Bro's got the pizza seats. Yo. Yo, the ops are here. I want this color in this Porsche so bad. It's Kev and Barlos. If they had money. Kev pulled up. Rep Kev, rep Kev. There's a lot of loud music here, guys.
Horny roll?
Yeah, I got it easy, bro.
Buster!
He's got the Tay Wavy method. Oh no! He's got it. We found ourselves in the Kissimmee section. It's that one guy who won't put his wheels on, or camber his car, or buy tires. But it's a red eye. Danny's in his off season. It's a Hellcat.
Oh, they got John B in the back of it.
Should we do that in the vet? Just have a giant skeleton hanging out of it?
Bro, you are the giant skeleton.
Oh yeah, you're right. Wait, that's dissing me.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, now we got a bike revving. So cool, bro. Yeah, what were you thinking about Crest Swing? Is it too big?
What is that?
I thought the light was a turbo from Thailand. Can you not see that? It looks like a turbo. That looked like a turbo from back there, bro. Well, he's dressing up as an electric car for Halloween.
Hey, excuse me? How many likes to take your wing off?
To take my wing off?
Yes. Your lunch table.
5K likes.
I bet.
Yo, it's Barlos. It's Barlos in takeover form. why I low-key got security though? That's fire. Merch plug. How do you feel about silver coils? Damn, bro stopped as soon as I got over here. Hey, one day chat. We're cambering and slamming a Lambo. The meat is definitely deep, but I think we found a wing bigger than Trev. Oh wait, there's two of them. Oh no! I didn't know you had a Supra. Oh, you just get out of work, bro? Oh shit! Yo, bro, I just want to let you know one of your clips is unclipped over there. Yeah, I know, it's broken. Yeah, you hear that, Tay? Alright, chat, that's gonna do it for today's video. We successfully made it to and back. Wait, we successfully made it to the meet and back from the meet. We're back home now. Car made it perfectly. Something is definitely broken. Something is definitely falling off on the underside of the car. I'm thinking it's the exhaust skid plate. So we'll deal with that when the time comes. Alright. Cameraman, turn the camera off. My slide shop stars came in. My slide shop stars came in, chat. Oh yeah. We're loaded.